Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, not in today's newspaper because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, March the 26th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, letter Sudoku, and there are two puzzles left: the two stars Sudoku and the tectonic with one star. I will continue with the two stars Sudoku, and this will be number 4319. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. For two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. Let me see a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait for more information. Let me see. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2, 1, 4, 3. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is, no, 6 we have here, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Then. 7, 7, 7, 7. I'm thinking. 9 in this third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4, 4, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the second row, so no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 2 goes and there. 2, 4, 4. Well. I'm thinking. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row, so no row above. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 7 now. Hmm. 5, the 2, the 1, 4. Okay. 3, 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9, 9, 3, 3, 3, 6, 4, 3, 6. Okay. 6, 7. I'm thinking. Well, we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Cannot continue with the 1 now. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next to the last column. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. So we have a pair now. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 9. One box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4, 4, okay. One box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Okay. 3, 4 missing. Oh wait, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. One number left in the last column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. One box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Oh, apologies. 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 8 goes there, 3 in this column. 3 in that column, so the column between the second column. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4, therefore should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 and all the 8's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 6 weeks. Okay, we have 152, 152, 317, 317, 58, 4, 5, 8, 4. Here we have two pairs, I believe. The 1, the 5 as a pair. Alright, thank you for watching. See you later with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.